Welcome to our channel, where we explore the power of prayers for wealth and prosperity. In this video, we will share powerful prayers that can help you attract abundance and financial success into your life. Whether you're facing financial challenges or simply looking to enhance your financial well-being, these prayers can guide you toward a path of prosperity. Join us on this spiritual journey and unlock the blessings that the universe has in store for you. Prayers for wealth and prosperity are not about asking for materialistic gains but about aligning ourselves with the flow of abundance. These prayers help us release any limiting beliefs or negative energy that may be blocking our financial success. By opening ourselves to divine guidance and expressing gratitude for the blessings we already have, we create space for greater wealth and prosperity to enter our lives. Divine Creator, I come before you with a grateful heart. Acknowledging the blessings you have bestowed upon me, I express my gratitude for the abundance that surrounds me, for the opportunities that have come my way, and for the resources available to me. I ask for your guidance and wisdom in utilizing these blessings, so that I may make the best decisions for my financial well-being. Help me to cultivate a mindset of prosperity and abundance, to attract opportunities that align with my highest good. I release any fears or limiting beliefs that hold me back, and I open myself to receive the wealth and abundance I deserve. Guide me on the path toward financial success, so that I may not only fulfill my own needs but also contribute to the well-being of others. I trust in your divine plan and timing, knowing that you provide for me in ways I may not always understand. I surrender any worries or doubts to you, and I have faith that you will lead me toward a prosperous future. Thank you, dear Creator, for your love, support, and infinite blessings. May my journey toward wealth and prosperity be filled with joy and integrity. In your name, I pray. Amen. To cultivate a prosperous mindset, it is essential to practice gratitude daily. Take a few moments each day to express gratitude for the financial blessings in your life. Focus on the abundance you already have, and the universe will respond by sending more. As we come to the end of this video, remember that prayers have the ability to transform our lives, including our financial well-being. By incorporating prayers for wealth and prosperity into your daily routine and nurturing a prosperity mindset, you can attract the abundance you desire. Stay connected with our channel for more empowering content on prayers and spiritual growth. Thank you for joining us today. May you always be blessed with wealth and prosperity. If you found value in this video, give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button to join our incredible community of abundance seekers. Don't forget to click the notification bell, so you never miss an opportunity to manifest miracles in your life.